In this video I'll be reviewing and installing the Akaso D2000. So in the box we have the camera. And a lot of different parts. There's the mount, there's some sticky double-sided tape for mount, USB cord, and the power adapter as well. There's our controls right here. Right here's where we can insert an HDMI cable or USB cable. That's where the mount goes. Play and fast forward buttons here. And there's the slot for the micro SD card. So first I'll go ahead and put an SD card in. Then I'll go out to my car and install it. There we go. Alright, so now I'm in my car. This is a 2011 Fusion Sport, but should be pretty similar installation for most any car. First you got to take off all the protective covers off of the camera. Taking the one off the back already. And there's one right here on the lens that I can't seem to quite get a hold of. Alright, there we go. Got it off the lens. And here's the mount. So I need to attach the mount to it. Alright, so here's the mount. And more protective covering. And the suction cup does not work well. So for now I've decided to place my camera right here and run the cable down through here to my power outlet. So first thing I want to do is attach the cable like so. And you probably want to wet the suction cup just a little bit. Make sure the glass is good and clean there to get the best possible stick. Okay, and now I'll just use this tool right here to help push the cable up, right up through here, and help keep it up out of my way. Preferably not damaging the headliner or anything. Okay, so I ran my cable up along here, down along the pillar. You can probably see it right there. Then up underneath the dash, and ultimately over here to my power outlet. Then I'll take up the extra slack and tie wrap it up later. Alright, to get into the setup menu, press the menu button twice. Now we're in the setup menu, and I am going to scroll down and format my card real quick. Format, hit OK. SD card, OK. Yep, it'll blow out all my data. Boom. Alright, so now it's formatted. Now also we have frequency. You can set your picture frequency, language, beep sounds, auto power off. That'd probably be a good one to have, right? You know what, I'm gonna leave it off right now. Car, no idea what that is. And we have date and time up here. Now I'll go drive around the block. Let's see what happens. See if it records anything. Sorry about the noisy coat. Kind of annoying, isn't it?
Alright, so I caught this crazy scene about 2 days after I purchased the camera. Quality's good, the audio's pretty good from it. The only drawback I have to the camera at all is the suction cup falls off the windshield, especially when it's cold, like 35 degrees or cooler. Other than that, it's a pretty good deal. Thank you for watching.